It's that feeling you get when you're struck with intense fear. Then you sense we are fucked and the end's near. It's not stuff you've discussed with their friends' ear. Friends here judge, so you clutch to your 10th beer. You've spent years with...
Okay, so this is a update video of my mental health and meds at the moment, that sort of thing. Today's the 19th of the 6th, 2018. So I guess I'll start off with the meds I'm on at the moment. I'm on currently, I've just started Epilim, or sodium valproate extended release. I'm on 200 milligrams once a day at the moment, but that's probably going to go up. Lexapro or Escitalopram 20 milligrams once a day. Inderal or Propranolol 10 milligrams once a day plus as needed. So I'll go over those three quickly. The Epilim or the sodium valproate, that's a mood stabilizer. The Lexapro is a SSRI antidepressant. So the Epilim's for both my bipolar and borderline personality disorder mood changes. The Lexapro is for anxiety, depression, that sort of thing. That's what I'm using it for, and also OCD. The Propranolol is for anxiety. It helps keep the heart rate, shaking, that sort of thing down. Doesn't help mentally, but physically it does. I'm also on Valium, 5 milligrams, or Diazepam, as needed, up to 3 times a day. But I only get a few at a time, because it's addictive and stuff. And then also I'm on Methadone, 10 milligrams once a day at the moment, but that could change. The Valium's again for anxiety, and Methadone's for opioid dependence. I'll put up a photo of all my medications now. Okay, so those are my current regular medications. The other medications that I'm on currently is just this. I have Valproate inhaler for asthma, and these are just non-related to psych. And in terms of opiate defense with the Methadone, because I've overdosed in the past, I have a naloxone kit to reverse overdoses. As you can see, it has syringes with needles, and try and get all this information out. Naloxone injections, along with instructions on how to use it all in a pencil case, just in case. I mean, I'm not planning to use, but it's just in case. Other meds that I've been on lately, I've been on Zyprexa when I came off that, and also Abilify, were the two probably most current meds that I've stopped. Okay, so basically, my current diagnosis is at the moment is the bipolar has been changed to, I think it's unofficially called type 4 or type 3. It's antidepressant-induced bipolar disorder. And then I've got borderline personality disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, anxiety, like mixed type anxiety, panic attacks, general anxiety, that sort of thing, and substance abuse disorder. That's everything at the moment. I guess I'm going alright with everything. Basically, other stuff to do with my mental health that's happened. I had a relapse of self-harm that I was clean for almost 3 years, up until recently. I'll put this up so I guess you can see, but don't look if you don't like triggering things. I got stitches at the moment. So yeah, that's a bit of a bummer, but I've had a lot of stuff going on. I've been hospitalised. I'm not sure when my last video was, but they tried to hospitalise me last weekend. But I've been hospitalised last year as well. 5 times total now, and yeah, I've been struggling with drug addiction at the moment, on a few different things, but mainly opiates, hence the Methadone that I'm on. and this year's been quite a intense one. I've almost died twice. I've overdosed and almost died. I got attacked with an axe as well, which didn't help everything. And now I'm dealing with some false accusations that someone's making about me, and it feels like it's tearing my life apart. But I'm going to hopefully be going into a DBT program, which should be helpful. I'm still seeing my GP regularly. I'm going to be in touch with the mental team. I'm doing drug and alcohol counselling soon. I've got a lot of support networks, my friends, and I'm trying my best to look after myself. So yeah, that's how I feel at the moment. If you've got any questions or just want to talk, just send me a message or a comment or something. Yeah, thanks. I'll put a couple of photos of the naloxone kit up after this, and look, if you're in America, I think they give them out. It's a good thing to carry in case you run into someone that's overdosed. So have a look at it if you want. If not, I don't really care, but it's sort of cool. So, alright, thanks.